city council has asked Mr. Bentley, the building inspector, to check what we do.
So what are we gonna do, Bob?
Well, Scoop, you, me, and Rolly are laying grass
Dad.
over the old garbage dump. It's going to be a park.
Bob the Builder on PBS Kids. It's about a man, which is him, that builds and constructs everything with construction talking vehicles.
Oh, yeah.
You,
I
Lofty,
remember
and
that
Dizzy
show.
are coming with
Can
me
I
to the
sit
old
with you?
railroad yard.
Sure.
We're going to clear the railroad track and make a new bicycle path.
What about the train?
Oh, don't worry, Lofty. There aren't any trains. The track isn't used anymore, but there are lots of rails, and that's where you come in. There you are, Lofty. Your magnet. You'll be able to pick up the rails easily with that.
Oh.
Now remember, Lofty, the magnet is very powerful. You must think hard to control it.
Oh, okay, Wendy. Whoa!
That is so funny.
Think harder,
I
Lofty.
agree, son.
You've got to control it.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh, sorry.
Wow, that was fun.
Don't worry, Lofty. Practice makes perfect. All right, team, let's go.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can.
I think so, yeah.
Hey, what's happening? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
What?
What? Oh, no. Not the stupid emergency alert system. Why? No.
This is a coordinated monthly EAS test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones.
Phew. What a relief. I thought it was gonna be something like a hurricane, or anything.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Man, I hate the stupid EAS.
Me too. FEMA was grounded.